Hi y'all, Elsa here with Just a Few Designs. And please excuse my voice. I think I've got a little, I don't know, something sore throat going on. But I wanted to come here and show you the next two that I've made. And these are pocket size. The other ones were more like the little ones that were this size. You can see the size and difference from the little Valentines, the little chunky monkeys I had, to these new ones that I just made. And once again, I try to keep them as identical as possible. So with each, you will be getting the paper clips, a cute little bow, really glittery little bow, and a soft pink pom-pom. You will get the charm that's attached to it, and it has cute little heart, looks like it's a crackled heart, and a bead heart with a little glass bead, and the bow in the front. And they're attached with silver elastics, and I added a very intricate die cut border right here, both to the front and the back of the books. This die cut is the same material that's on the inside. Really pretty iridescent pink. Ain't that beautiful? This is done out of the light baby pink faux leather. Both the front and the back have little acrylic pockets, and you're gonna get a whole bunch of ephemera tucked in the pockets, tucked in inside the folder that's in here, and on each side of your side pockets. And I just took some different ephemera that I had that I've been collecting with, you know, through this as time gone by. And you get two tags. They have the little pre-punch holes for you to add something to it. And then these, I added these to my other ones. Now these is just like a little, I just throw these in because I hate throwing this away. I am making some inserts because I want to start also selling just the inserts, but this is what's left from the paper after I cut it, and I just hate to throw it away because, like I said before, I always need something to write down a quick password or a quick phone number, and then you can just tear the pages off and move on. And it's just something, I don't know, a little extra, and I decorated it. And these right here may be a little different from book to book just because of the these are epoxy stickers, so this one's a little bit different over here, see, and the paper's a little bit different. So that may be different from book to book, and also the some of the ephemera may be different because I didn't have the exact amount to, you know, keep reproducing, which is why I'm only making one or two at a time. Okay, so now the inside of these, the inserts will be the same. I use the same paper to cover them, and you will have two handmade inserts. One of them in the back is your dotted paper, and then on the center I put a little doily just to make it really soft and pink, because this is such a feminine book, I think. Then the front one will also have a little doily, and it has a little butterfly on there. And the front insert is a list for you to make lists, and the whole thing is done like that. And then some of the pages will have dual list, so it's your list insert, and then you have your dashboard, and your dashboard is laminated, and I went ahead and added a pocket right there for you to put an ID, a picture, whatever you want to put in there. That's already attached. And then of course your dashboard opens, and then you have this thick ruled insert, ruled paper, and in the center you have a heart doily with another butterfly, a different butterfly, really soft. And you can remove these and use them to embellish other books or other projects you may be making. Then this is the back of your little heart sticker. This is the back of your dashboard, and then I gave you some sticky pads. And then all of mine I'm going to make a calendar, and this is from January through June, July through December. And then I just decorated one of these little paper clips with some silver paper. I just thought it looked really pretty, and I just threw that in so that you can use it and keep everything nice and pretty and silver. And this also works as a bookmark, so you know where you're putting things. This is your last the last insert. Like I told you, it's the dotted paper with another doily. Then in the back you have your folder. This folder is not laminated, but it's really thick, which is why I didn't laminate it, because it was so thick and so sturdy that I didn't think the lamination would hold. And then I went ahead and filled it with some ephemera also. And then here at your back, beautiful, beautiful material here, and here's your back pocket. Okay, and you're gonna get one of the gold hearts. So this is one of two. I only have two like this. I don't know if I'll be making any more just like this, but comes with this. And then just as an added, I gave you a little baggie full of really cool Valentine sequins. It has hearts, it has some beads, it has a bigger heart there, so that you can use it and make, I don't know, shakers or whatever you want to do with it. And then they both have this. You will get this. You'll get the big heart. You'll get the smaller heart. You will get a solid heart in white. And then in a really soft pink, you will get this beautiful Lacey heart. You will get, I'll make sure that I pack them so that they don't intertwine like this. You'll get this. And this one, isn't this beautiful and intricate? And then you will get all the little hearts that came out of this. You'll get them in pink and in red, and you'll get one of these. And you'll get this. This is the one that came from in there. So this will be part of your package, and this, and I'm just throwing this as an added Happy Valentine's. And for you to add to your pages, to decorate or make a card or do whatever it is that you need to do with this. This is just, like I said, just a little extra for getting this and for your support. So also, I'd like you to notice that all my edges are beautifully done with a sparkle all the way around the book. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's got a really pretty shine to it. So anyway, so okay, so here they are, and they are also chunky monkeys. They're really chunky, they're really nice. And this, like I said, is the pocket. The inserts are 5.5 by 3.5, and then so once you use them up, you can just go ahead and replace them, you know, if you wish, or put it away and get you another one. So here it is. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support with the first set. Oh, I almost forgot. You are also going to get one of these pins. They're in silver. It has the little diamond head at the top. So each one gets a pin. So yes, so this is up for grabs right now. Like I said, I only have the two. I will be making some more. I don't know that they'll look like these. So let me know if you like them. If you want one of them, it's gonna be like a first come first serve. I'm gonna put my email down here, JUSTAFEWW with 2 W's @gmail.com. And I'll send you an invoice through PayPal. All right, so thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.